Navadurga. On the third day of Navratri, Ma Durga is worshipped at Chandraghanta. Chandraghanta means she has half moon shaped bell like ornament on her. Her third eye is always open and she is ready for war. Also, her forehead is bedecked with crescent moon resembling the shape of the bell. She is known as Devi Sati in her previous birth. She was married to Lord Shiva in that birth and sacrificed her life when her father insulted her. She jumped in the fire. She is then born as Parvati to Himalaya. And then she did severe penance when Lord Shiva married her. She is compassionate towards her devotees and terrifying towards her enemies. Chandraghanta means the moon is connected to mind and Ghanta is connected to alertness. That is, an alert mind. The mind oscillates from sound to silence and silence to sound continuously, and finally it comes to stand still. It becomes single, pointed, sharp, and then the total energy of mind rises like anything. When the quality of alertness rises, it is like adornment or puja. A beautifully focused mind is puja or adornment. So we should not run away from mind. Mind is continuously in different forms, different thoughts, and then this oscillating mind should be brought to stand still, and that is nothing but Chandraghanta. She is present with different emotions such as peace, compassion, sorrow, misery, hunger, etc. As collective emotions, whole bringing together forms nad, that is the sound of the bell. This is meaning behind the name Chandraghanta, a sharp mind with the sound or nad of Ghanta. Namastasya Namastasya Ma Chandraghanta Devi.